Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Hot 20i to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. You need to do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, check out to receive our latest newsletters and updates. You can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your INFINIX and Receive next to it on an Android. Then click on all of your files that you wish to send, or all of those dots from all of those categories. When you're ready, choose Send next to Selected and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. In this section, you can click on Yes, I agree or No thanks and tap on Close this window. Then select one of those connection ways. In order to use the QR code, tap on this scanning icon on Android smartphone, choose Allow or Only this time in this pop-up, and point your camera at the code. You can always input this key over here as well, and click on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, your file, just like mine, will be sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!